Welcome to Industrial Prime, where heavy transport meets real risk, and every decision matters once momentum takes over. High on the steep curves of Maritime Pass, one traffic collision interrupts the day. Sharp turns, long descents, and split-second decisions combine, showing how mountain roads leave little room for error once control slips. When a crane is dragged by its own load, poor stability and uneven distribution overwhelm even powerful machines, proving safe planning must start before the lift. Crane failures often start with miscalculation. Lifting outside the load center or moving too fast shifts balance instantly. Proper vertical lifts, safe clearances, and controlled movement are critical when tons of steel are hanging overhead. Despite experience and power, the 10-wheeler still tips. A massive convoy rolls through Berghausen and Marktal, turning quiet streets into a moving event. Transporting oversized structures isn't just spectacle, it's timing, coordination, escorts, and absolute precision through tight urban space. A crane lowers an engine far too heavy, proving how fast lifting turns dangerous. If this matters to you, like the video, subscribe, and join the discussion. In the Carrara quarries, the Scania 8x8 G490 hauls a 32-ton payload through steep grades and loose stone. Advanced traction and braking control prove essential, especially when descending under full load. Built with a 6x6 drivetrain, the Volvo FMX pushes through snow-covered terrain. On ice and slush, traction, throttle control, and driver restraint determine whether the truck keeps moving or slides out of control.
Дай вверх. О, красавец!
Launching the 3600 TEU Hansa Australia isn't just about size. It's synchronized movement, precise timing, and disciplined teamwork, setting maritime standards where even small errors can ripple into massive consequences. Transporting two giant CO2 tanks from Hasaluni to Durban quickly turns difficult. Broken roadside trees warn of trouble before one tank overturns into a field, triggering a complex recovery operation where careful planning and rescue efforts limit the damage. Brake failure downhill proves maintenance and planning matter before gravity takes over. In seconds, the excavator drops into a mining pit tens of meters deep. Unstable ground and unseen voids show how quickly even experienced operators can be caught off guard when terrain gives way. That single moment raises a simple question. How much does a forklift really weigh? Imagine a giant excavator loading a Hall H3500A3, powered by about 2,000 horsepower, hauling nearly 400,000 pounds at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Raw power moving massive loads with ease. Watching a bulldozer cross a pedestrian bridge in Artvin feels unreal. Every inch tests balance, planning, and trust as weight shifts under constant tension. Overtaking on the Canyon del Pato demands patience as much as skill. When two vehicles meet on this tight mountain road, steering inputs, timing, and calm judgment decide whether both pass safely or not. Moving 360 tons is never simple. Every mile is pre-planned, every turn calculated. Crew coordination, route surveys, and precise timing turn an impossible load into a controlled journey.
Затаскиваем на щиты. Копанный. О, пошел.
The TT4 crawler tractor shows raw Soviet-era engineering, pulling a 40-ton logging truck from trouble. Massive torque, steel tracks, and slow controlled force prove their value in extreme recovery work.
Дровишки везет. Ну все, достали.
Dropping the mast of a Bucyrus Erie 2570W walking dragline looks dramatic, but this demolition is all about control. Heavy rollovers are complex, but Dad's towing in Nashville shows how experience matters. Using specialized recovery gear, the crew rights the truck quickly while keeping everyone clear and safe. The HOW0336 represents China's industrial strength. Built by CNHTC, its 336 horsepower platform balances payload, durability, and cost for demanding construction and haulage work worldwide. Four retired generators, each weighing 400 tons, travel nearly 700 miles from Southern California to Utah. With a combined load of about 760,000 pounds, permits, escorts, and precision logistics make this possible. On a steep gap road, one wrong steering input could send a truck over the edge. This driver's narrow escape highlights focus, throttle control, and experience under extreme pressure. Heavy transport leaves no room for guesswork. Weight, momentum, and terrain always win. If this helped you understand real industrial risks, like, subscribe to Industrial Prime and share your thoughts.